Hey guys, welcome to Our Delicious and I'm Aditi and I'm back with another eggless recipe which I'm sure you guys are gonna love. It's my orange cupcakes which are so delicious, so easy to make, so soft and fluffy, and I've paired them up with a dark chocolate orange ganache which pairs beautifully, so you have to give them a try. So let's start off. In a bowl, sift together some flour, some salt, some baking soda and some baking powder. Sift the dry ingredients together and keep it aside while we start working on our wet ingredients. So here in a bowl, add in some curd. Make sure it's not sour and it's fresh curd. Along with that, add in some granulated sugar. Mix the two together till all the sugar is dissolved within the curd. When once nice and smooth, now it's time to add in some orange juice. I have used fresh orange juice, but you can use a canned orange juice as well, along with some vegetable oil, vanilla extract and some orange zest, which gives a lovely orangey flavor to the cake. Mix the wet ingredients together and now it's as simple as just pouring in the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and combining the two till you get a smooth batter. That's how simple this recipe is, and trust me, it's so delicious. Line a cupcake tray with some cupcake liners. This recipe gives you about 6 cupcakes. I'm using an ice cream scoop to divide my batter so that I get even sized cupcakes. Fill the molds about 2/3 way up, and now it's time to bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. You know it's done when a skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean like this. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes and then demold it onto a wire rack and let them cool completely. Meanwhile, let's start working on the orange chocolate ganache, which is, by the way, delicious. So for that, in a saucepan, add in some cream, and to make the ganache, I'm going to zest in some oranges. This will give the ganache that orangey flavor and it is super delicious, trust me. So zest in the orange and add it to the cream and then bring the cream to a simmer. Don't boil it, just bring it to a simmer, and this will infuse the cream with the orange flavor. Then pour this hot cream through a strainer over chopped dark chocolate and add in some butter to make the ganache even more luxurious. Let it sit under a plate for about 5 minutes. The heat from the cream will melt the chocolate. Mix it through till it's nice and smooth. If you have any chocolate chunks, you can put them back in the microwave or you can melt it over a double boiler. Let this ganache set for a couple of hours till you get this thick mixture, which you can then place in a piping bag and pipe it over the cupcakes. The combination of chocolate and orange is just to die for. I love it personally, but if you don't like it, you can even use cream cheese frosting. I just decorated the cupcake with some orange wedges and the cupcakes are ready. They are soft, they're delicious, they're easy, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you try them, do leave me a picture on my Instagram. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever a new recipe comes out. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.